What does grey legendary aspect mean in Diablo 4? So if I take a look at my helmet here, we can see that the legendary aspect is greyed out. Now, what does this mean? Well, this means that you typically have a duplicate legendary aspect equipped. So if I take a look at the chest here, I have the exact same legendary aspect equipped. So obviously one of them is turned on and the other one is turned off by default. Now, if I take off this legendary chest and put it in my inventory, we can now see that the helmet will turn back on again. So basically, if you have a legendary aspect grayed out, take a look at your armor. It's likely that you have two of the same aspect equipped and you can only have one. So basically, get rid of the duplicate, find another legendary aspect, put it on, and then your character will be stronger. I really hope this did help, and if it did, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and also subscribe if you want to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers.